Good morning.
Algo se parece.
¿Verdad? Somos la encarnación. Hay que seguir Colombia. Nos dejarían 5 los dos cada uno. Serían 10 y 14. 4 lleva.
How much is the mic?
The what?
The microphone?
$10.
Okay. All right, I'll probably take that too. Yeah, my dog got sprayed by a skunk, so he can chew on that if he wants to. Yeah, I'm gonna get this microphone for $10 and this skunk. I thought if nothing else, we could give it to Brax.
Morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Wendy.
Yeah. I don't know. We'll find out. Yeah, we should probably ask how much clothes are.
You should before we take the half the rack.
How much are your clothes? That's cute. How much are the clothes?
That one?
Any of these? Yeah.
This is $2 for pieces.
Okay.
And that one? Yo aquí vivo con ellas.
Okay, no problem.
It's too good.
Yeah, I think so.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
But help me look over. Help me look them over and see if they're.
I'm not gonna do that. So Wendy.
I know that's why I was having trouble, but.
That Nike jacket,
Yeah.
didn't even wear one.
Okay.
And it was expensive. I don't know if you want to take it for $20.
Okay. Probably not.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, I wouldn't be able to get more than 50 for that.
I thought this one was stained. Oh, it does actually.
Okay. Skip it then.
Here,
I don't know. Acá está.
Okay, hold on.
Saca tu papá. Los calcetines también.
one is a little wall. Oh no, staying.
Okay, okay.
Estos son para regalos, mire. En Navidad le hace un regalo a sus nietos así. Estos valen $30. Yo las estoy dando en 10. Porque todos son calcetinos. Y este es el material. Este es de aquí. Entonces, sí, ya sé que no vio los calcetines, ¿no? Mira. Le digo que estos están muy buenos para, sí, para
Se los pone tapados.
arriba.
Okay, I think I'm ready then.
Acomódate a usted acá.
Lo damos a 12.
Okay, so
Sí, le iba a apuntar a
so she
dirección,
said 2 on these?
Oh,
4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 22, and how much was the skunk? How much was the skunk? Okay, came up to 22. We had 10, and then there's
6 of these.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, so 22.
22?
Yes, thank you.
No.
He's taking your hangers off.
I'm putting them on the back.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hello. It's cute. All right, thank you.
These I know are super cute, but they were just like way too heavy for me.
Yeah, I have a pair of dogs, and mine are much lower than that, and they're very, very heavy also. I like them, but mine are a lot smaller, so I can't imagine how heavy those would be.
Here's some couple of horror movies for $1 a piece.
Okay.
And then a Harry Potter? Did you see the puzzle? It's a tiger head puzzle. Madcap. Never heard of it. It's a cool puzzle. Like it's shaped like a tiger's head. Just going up. I don't know what you're doing.
I'm trying to decide if I.
Oh, yeah.
Let's just get that one for $5. I'll get it for myself, and
Bag
then
in
Not
there.
that
yeah.
I'm painting it.
Let's see.
Painting it what though?
White.
You're gonna paint that white with what? Just spray paint? How did you
Are you
crazy?
ready?
Oh yeah.
Okay. I didn't know how much your stuff was.
This is for
2, 3, 4, and you said 5 on this, or do you? Was that only okay? So 9, and then how much for this?
That one, that's, what did I mark it out? Just
Uh,
$1.
Okay,
So what's
it was 10.
10.
Yeah, $10.
Yeah, let's put the stuff in this bag.
See, that's why I got it. There you go.
Okay.
Here's your pound, babe. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm looking forward to putting this together.